To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Securities and Exchange Board of India proposed allowing celebrity endorsements for its regulated entities like asset management companies, stockbrokers, investment advisors, and others in its overhaul of advertisement codes. Such celebrity endorsements will require prior approval from the regulatory body or exchanges. However, SEBI may allow celebrity endorsements only at the brand or entity level and not for endorsing their products or services. Investment banks have transitioned into fund management, unveiling collective investment schemes, unit trust businesses, and joining a gold rush underpinned on strong interest in pooled investments among investing Kenyans. The number of investment banks in the unit trust space has more than doubled over the last 5 years to 10 from 4 previously, as existing firms move to establish collective investment schemes. For the truly rich, artificial intelligence cannot compete with human advisors in handling many of their needs, according to a report from HSBC Holdings plc. The HSBC survey shows that 62% of wealthy people still turn to human professionals as the main source of investment ideas. Conducted by Ipsos and based on responses from about 10,000 affluent and high net worth individuals, the analysis also shows that only 12% said AI was the most influential factor in decision-making. Clients are increasingly using AI to explore their options, but when it comes to making investment decisions, they value judgment, context and accountability from a trusted wealth advisor. Barry O'Byrne, the Chief Executive Officer of International Wealth and Premier Banking at HSBC, said in a statement. Indonesia is requiring financial influencers to disclose paid promotions and obtain licenses to recommend assets, as Southeast Asia's largest economy joins a global movement to tighten oversight of the social media personalities. The Financial Services Authority also issued guidelines that hold companies responsible for information shared by financial influencers as part of marketing deals. The authority will require crypto influencers to have an unspecified certification, it said. Indonesia joins countries including Singapore and India that are tightening oversight of financial influencers, whose popularity have grown in recent years as young retail investors increasingly turn to them for investing advice. Government data shows that more than half of the retail investors in Indonesia are under 30. US spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen $6.4 billion in net outflows over the past 30 days, marking the largest monthly withdrawal period since the funds were launched in 2024. The selling pressure has continued this week, with investors pulling $651 million from Bitcoin ETF so far, per so value. The outflows come as Bitcoin itself fell to its lowest level since October 2024, on the 25th of June, hovering below $60,000. The flagship cryptocurrency has been squeezed from all sides this month. Institutional investors have been reducing their risk exposure amid a weaker Bitcoin price, higher rate concerns and broader market uncertainty, and Bitcoin ETFs have become one of the easiest ways to do that.
FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry, exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.